Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic... we did get rugged about 30-40% today, but it's still a fantastic day today as usual, you know what I mean? If we can survive the ultimate attack on the XRP community by the SEC, going from 78 cents down to 17 cents, 80%, I think we can handle a little 30% pullback. But here's the thing, really, like the peak of the dump from about 90 cents to the bottom was about 33%, and then already more than half of the dump has been eaten up by the buyers, which is kind of AKA the crypto veterans that know how this game works, taking advantage of the opportunity and buying the dip. So if we want to go ahead and go out to the weekly chart, guys, the 60-cent iron wall level has been conquered as support, and this was nothing more than a back test, and already more than half of this weekly candle eaten up by the buyers. Okay, so yes, we dumped, but dude, it went down to exactly, I mean, look at this wick here on Binance. Exactly down to 60 cents, man. Like literally to the T, perfect to 60 cents. Immediately respects the 60-cent iron wall level, which stopped so many pumps over the last 3 years, but we have conquered that level. We came back down here after the run up to $2, immediately got the bounce up, lower high, went back down again, down to 60 cents. Boom. Buyers snap up that whole thing. So honestly, in terms of the XRP community, we're chilling, man. We're chilling. Like if we can survive that SEC dump, we can survive anything, okay? What, minus 30% in cryptocurrency, dude, it's nothing. We're in this game for tens upon tens of thousands of percent. We can handle 20-30% pullback, which currently XRP is only down 14%. So really, most of this dump has already been canceled, and I guarantee you in the next 1 to 3 days, we are going to see a sea of green on CoinMarketCap, because, guys, in cryptocurrency, what happens every single time there's a minus 30% across the board? The next 2 days, the thing's going right back up to where it started before the dump. Nothing to worry about here. I understand, looking at Blockfolio, calculating the dollar amount that you lost. Understandable. It's a little bit, kind of make you feel a little sick to your stomach. But, dude, this is crypto, man. We live for the 10,000%, 100,000% gains. But some people can't handle a 15, 20, 25% pullback. Okay? Crypto veterans know these deep, just flash crash pullbacks are nothing more than an opportunity. And guys, today I am here to talk to you guys about an opportunity. So as you guys know, we do have an airdrop craze in the XRP ledger. One of those airdrops being, FLR. What came off of FLR was Songbird. And then now Songbird has an airdrop coming up in about a week. About a week and 1 day. And guys, I am here to tell you about an opportunity I think will benefit a lot of you because of just what we know with how airdrops work in cryptocurrency. Now, this isn't like your typical, XRPL, coin issuance, scam coin, shit coin, that kind of thing. This is Songbird, which is derived from Flare Networks, is the Canary test network for FLR. And Songbird has the Exfi airdrop coming up in just about a week here, formerly known as SFLR, but changed to EXFI. So guys, here's the opportunity I'm going to tell you about, because nothing is a guarantee in life except for death, taxes, and XRP going to the moon. However, there is one thing I do see kind of as a little guarantee here for an opportunity for a potential trade. Now guys, look what happened to Songbird, okay? We're going to go on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, once December rolls around, or a little bit before December, Songbird's hitting at, 40, 41 cents. December 1st rolls around, gets up to 44 cents, goes for the pullback, and then what's happening here, guys? What is happening here? This move from the low 40-cent range all the way up to 50 cents. Okay, let's zoom out a little bit here, Mark, because this thing actually got all the way up to 52 cents, okay? So look at this little movement here. Right when December rolls around, right when the EXFi airdrop is officially like in the same month that we are in. So at the beginning of December, the thing's about 2 weeks away, right? Goes from 40 cents to 44, 43, up to 48, pull back to 45, and then shoots up to 52 cents. So at this point, it's December 2nd. The airdrop is about 10 days away, and the price is rising because it's just purely supply and demand, okay? You have an airdrop coming up, EXFi, which is actually pretty major, and it's going to be kind of a lower supply airdrop. So you're actually going to be getting one EXFi for every 235 Songbirds. So we're looking for, this is kind of a, you're not getting as much of the token, but because of that result, you are having, a higher price coin. So that's where it's like, of course, you have those coins that are, 1 quadrillion supply, and it, like, appears to be super cheap. But then you also have this other thing where it's like these coins come out, and there's just a really, really little supply. So that price can go from, like, $1 to, like, $30, like, really quick. That kind of thing, because of the low supply, right? So everyone is getting on board. They're going, oh, my God, EXFi Snapshot. It's coming up. It's really close. All right, let's get in this puppy. So, but the EXFi airdrop also did have a different scheduled date. I can't remember exactly what it was, but here's the update from Flare Finance, the Songbird Snapshot update. It was originally going to be on November 5th, I believe. But then, so many exchanges just holding people's Songbird hostage. They wouldn't release them. The airdrop was supposed to be November 5th. And then, look what happened, guys. Look what happened. The same thing that's happening now, leading up to the airdrop. The 33 cents to 50, pull back to 43, up to 55, pull back to basically just 50, and then it rips it up to damn near 70 cents a coin. But then what happens? It's announced that, hey, we're going to delay the airdrop because this is really unfair. So many exchanges are holding the Songbird hostage, and then they announce, okay, guys, we're going to delay the airdrop. What does Songbird do? Immediately, oh, it's supply zone, up from 65 cents all the way back down to the sub 40 cent zone, right? But then you have, okay, the new scheduled date for the EXFi airdrop, December 12th. And does the same thing, 30 cents to 45, back down to 40, up to 50, back down to 45, up to 52. And then what happens this time? The snapshot doesn't get delayed. It's just the whole crypto market goes for a deep, deep pullback, which veterans know is nothing more than an opportunity. So then Songbird goes from 52 cents, like, okay, hey guys, the airdrop's a week away. All right, 52 cents, price is rising, there is demand. And then boom, goes right back down to levels at which there wasn't any, hey, the airdrop is close demand. Hey, the airdrop's coming soon. Holy shit, let's buy and let's get this thing going. Right? Because everyone's trying to stack as much Songbird as they can to get the maximum amount of the airdrop. So because of this recent little 30% across the board of the crypto market just getting wiped out, now you have an opportunity to get Songbird at much cheaper prices. Okay, Songbird all the way back down to 35 cents. Okay, 35 cents, and then, a little dead cat bounce because every single elevator down always comes that little relief rally, and then now it's back up to 40 cents again. So considering the airdrop is 8 days away, okay, keep that in mind. It's 8 days away, and look, we already had all this buildup for excitement for the airdrop, and then honestly, I think the crypto gods blessed us with a little opportunity on Songbird here to scoop up really cheap, because in these next 8 days coming, this next week coming forward, I am about 98% sure this thing is going to rocket back up to 50, 60, 70 cents, that range. Guys, it has to happen. When you have these airdrops, the coins just go fucking berserk. When it leads up to the date of the snapshot for the airdrop, you have all this demand from traders wanting to get as much of the coin as possible to get the maximum amount of airdrop. Look at Solo Coin. Thing was at 6 cents, And then they announced this like, hey, we're doing like a huge airdrop for solo and XP community. Now the thing's $6. So you have demand that comes in leading up to the airdrop date. And we're only 8 days away. And we get blessed with a super steep late Black Friday discount. Okay. So that's the thing. Full transparency, I did a significant YOLO into Songbird at these prices. I'm not talking $100 or $1,000. I did a little more than $1,000. A good amount more than $1,000. But I YOLO'd in at these prices because this is a fucking deep opportunity. This thing was just hanging up at the mid 50 cent range. And then, what, did Songbird drop because they delayed the airdrop? No, it was just a complete manipulation down by the whales, hunting out stop losses, triggering a first set of stop losses, which creates this like little twirly typhoon mania of stop losses, like like the stop losses get triggered, which then causes more stop losses to keep getting triggered. That's what the whales do. About every month or so, you got the whales coming in, and they hunt stop losses. We got a $1.4 billion of value of traders getting liquidated, losing all their money. That's what they do. They take the liquidity. And as a result of whale manipulation, going for a stop loss hunt, because once they send it down, once they get it to a certain zone, it is just like a stop loss mania, and the thing just goes elevator down, and then after it's done, buyers scoop it all back up, and before you know it, over half the dump is done. So guys, I just fucking YOLO'd a significant portion of my fiat war chest into Songbird because this is just like, bro, the thing was hanging around 50 cents about a week and a half before the airdrop, and then dude, it goes with a steep discount, and you still have the airdrop coming up. I mean, guys, I went for the YOLO here. I am expecting in this next week Songbird price to rise to, again, the 50, 60, 70 cent range. I'm just saying that, not financial advice, but there's a potential opportunity there to really buy the dip and reap the benefits of controlling your emotions and taking advantage of these steep, steep discounts. So guys, yeah, I aped like a few grand into Songbird. I had to, because being in this market for so long, seeing how cryptos react, leading up like 1 week to the airdrop, and that day before the airdrop, that price is at like its peak, and then post airdrop, the thing dumps. So what I'm going to be doing, guys, this is kind of like this video is really kind of like, yes, the airdrop is coming up. You can go ahead and do that. But for me, this is more of a price action opportunity because, guys, there's so many airdrops. I got the, like, just in the Flare networks, it's the FLR, the Songbird, the EX5, and the Dow Flare. And I'm like, dude, I don't need every single one of them, man. I think I'm going to stick with the FLR, Songbird, and then, of course, the solo coin coming up. But, what I'm going to do, guys, is I aped a couple grand down here in this absolute blessing of a discount because, like, you're so close to the airdrop date or the snapshot date. I mean, last time it was like a week away from the snapshot date. The thing got up to like almost 70 cents a coin because at this point in time, the snapshot was November 5th, so it'd be 4 days away. And 4 days away from the snapshot, it got up to 70 cents. Then they delayed it. Then, okay, dump. And then demand comes back up in again because the snapshot's getting closer again because it was delayed. And then deep pullback, right back down to this support zone. And this is where your boy Cobb aped in a few thousand. And I'm looking for this next week to ride the Songbird pump up to 50, 60, 70 cents. And then I'm going to pull the bag. I'm going to pull the money. I'm not going to get the airdrop. So, guys, again, this is not financial advice, but I am just making you aware of a potential opportunity right now with Songbird, basically just trading the demand and the hype for an airdrop. So, literally, like 1 day before the EX5 snapshot, I'm going to just go ahead and sell all the Songbird. Like, I'm honestly, with all these airdrop crazes going on, like, I don't feel like I need every single token. Not all of them are going to be successful. Not all of them are going to be significant and have value long term. I'm not trashing EX5. I'm just saying from like a perspective of just seeing all these airdrops, like I don't feel like I need every one of them. I feel like on this one, I just want to trade the hype, trade the demand leading up to the snapshot, and then pull the money once it's like about doubled. So Guys, again, not financial advice. Not telling you to copy me and ape into Songbird, but I'm just making you aware that there is potential opportunity here in the next week to ride Songbird from 40 cents up to 60, 70 cents. Because again, when the airdrop was just a few days away, it was up to 70 cents. And then the airdrop being a few days away is a few days away. And we just got blessed with a minus 20%. Took advantage of that dip. And guys, I'm going to ride this thing up to 50, 60, 70 cents. Sell before the airdrop. Take the cash. Enjoy life. Use that for funding a future travel across the world, you know, get some life experiences, because that's what money's for, man. That's what money's for, life experiences. All right, so yeah, so it's up to you. You can go ahead and claim the airdrop if you want, but as soon as that snapshot is over, Songbird is getting elevator down. But again, guys, it's up to you. You can trade the demand up to, you know, the airdrop date. You could just stack the Songbird here, be happy with the price you got the Songbird at, and then be happy with the amount you have, so you have like a sizable portion in the airdrop. It's up to you. But me, I'm trading up this demand, and I want to let you guys know about this opportunity. So thank you guys for tuning the video today. Really do appreciate it. Make sure do smash the likes and subscribe. And again, the snapshot for Exfi is December 12th. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.